All right, guys, we're back, guys. We're back. Hope you guys can hear me. So I'm starting the stream much earlier today because we got a trade, and I actually re-entered it. It got me at BE, but I re-entered it, and it's looking like it doesn't really want to move. So considering taking out some positions or closing it. All right, guys. So this is the trade we currently have running. It's about 40 pips stop loss. So we expect price to get at least there's a clean range on the left, at least get to this point or move further if it wants. So that's what we are currently looking at. And there's no volume. This is pre-London and there's no volume to the upside. Price is just dancing around our entry. It's not really giving us that he wants to continue pushing to the upside. So we're just observing it for a while and seeing the trade. And after this, I'm going to do like a proper breakdown and show you guys what I think is going to happen in chat. But for now, we wait and see how the candle respects it. So hopefully this 15 minutes candle close strong bullish. If it doesn't, if it breaks its own low again, if it breaks its own low, I'm going to close. I'm going to close my position once it breaks its own low, and I'll manage it for around 20 pips instead of um initial one, just 20 pips. So that's it. That's it. Let's see how the trade played out. Like a lot of sellers are trying to push the price downwards. Like trying to push it. Actually, trading gold today is actually very difficult because you can see that on the higher time frame, gold is kind of ranging. We have a massive range on gold. So let's just see if we can break down the pair quickly and let me show you guys what I saw and what was making me try to go for longs on gold. My network is not the best, and the stream I end up lagging because everything here is working. So I'm closing positions now. I'm actually closing my positions now because it's trying to I'm closing partials. It's trying to play bullish and bearish. So, but if you guys entered it before, you must have got like 10 people already. I even got 20 before it inside. Can you guys hear me? So I think I got like 20 before it started pushing again. Okay, it didn't break the low properly, so I'm still in. I'm still in. I'm still in. Let's see. Let's just see. I want to see how this 15 minutes close first off. That's why I started the stream now, so you guys can play along. But this network is bad. Everything is just going against me today. It's just going against me today. Let's see, guys. Let's see, guys. Let's see, guys. So let's go a proper top down analysis on this trade. Let's do a proper top down analysis. So this is gold. This is gold on the daily time frame. Hope you guys can hear me. Please, if you can't hear me, just let me know on the chat that you can hear me. I don't know if I've sent the link to the group. Have I? Hold on, guys. So the trade has got me at. I've put it. I've managed my stop loss. So that's it for the trade. So now let's walk our way through. That's it. Let's walk our way through and let's see what the price has for us. So this is gold. Hold on, 1 second. 1 second, guys. And everything is lagging. Everything is just cooking here. All right, guys. Let's work our way through. Let's work our way through. So this is gold. This is gold. This is gold. Oh, yeah, back to it. So this is gold on the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame, you can see that we have a massive bullish to the upside. So let's remove everything. Let's clear off everything on the chart, and let's just work on this. So you can see gold has like a strong push to the upside. You can see it. You can see the strong bullish push, and this price is currently trying to retest. There's a possibility that we can get a retracement and pushing to the upside. So overall, we are like in a bullish momentum, price creating new high, all-time high, and this was the candle I was talking about yesterday. I hope you guys can hear me, please. I hope you guys can hear me. It's very important if you guys can hear me. I hope I'm loud and clear. Hope you guys can hear me properly. Hope you guys can hear me properly. Hope you guys can hear me. So that's the most important thing in this factor, the way price moves. So if I drop down to my 4 hours time frame, what's 4 hours telling us? So 4 hours has a structure. It created a structure. It created a support level here, but you can see that in the support level, the support it created, price has no bottom top week, and it has broken below the low. So there's possibility of price coming down or pushing to the upside. So that's what is going on right here. So if I drop down to my 1 hour time frame, let's see what the 1 hour is telling us. So the 1 hour is giving us a selling structure. You can see it came here, created an high. It's giving like a head and shoulder pattern for it to continue pushing downwards. But I saw a different thing on the 30 minutes and on the 15. So in 30 minutes, price you can see even broke above this highs here. Price came down, failed to break below the slow on the 15 minutes. You can see it failed to break below the slow and came back up and tried to push upward. So now what we can do now, the only thing we can do currently now in order for us to get back into this trade, for us to look for opportunities, is that we have to wait for this structure now. The price has created a resistance level for here, resistance level for us above this level. So we need price to kind of close bearish below this. We don't really care what price does anymore because we're no longer in this trade. And the only way we can get back into this trade is if price does something like this. We had our first attempt to go to BE, but me, I could enter it because I felt like price is going to push up. So the only thing I can do now is for price to close back bullish. I have to say like a closure of candle above this level. Then we look for a retest, and then we can get a proper buys to the upside. So this is something I'm considering for this pair right now. This is what I want price to do in order for me to place a trade. You understand? This is exactly what I want price to do for me to place a trade. You understand? Can you hear me? Is it still lagging? Is it still lagging? I need to know if it's lagging. Is it lagging? Damn it. Is it lagging? Hold on 1 second. Let me see what I can do about that. Damn it. Hello, is it better? So can you guys hear me now? Is it better? Is it any better? Like the microphone, like is it better? Can you hear me? Let me know if it's no longer lagging. Let me know. Is it lagging? Let me know. Let's know if it's lagging. It's working well now, right? Can you guys hear me properly? I need to know if you guys can hear me properly, guys. All right. All right. So back to what I was saying. So we had an attempt for buys. I got 20 pip. Like I got 20 pip, and I actually moved my stop to break even. But I just felt like the trade is supposed to move. You get me? So, but the next attempts now, I don't want to sell off this level because look at my left, no clean candles, no clean structure. So we have to just wait. But for sales now, this is a very, 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 very difficult market structure. Like market structure is very difficult right now. Like very difficult. So we just have to wait though. We just have to wait. You get me? For sales, here will be a better place for sales. Like this below the structure will be a better place for sales because looking at our left, we have like clean candles here, and I want to trade off where they're clean candles. So I want to see if I can get like some bearish momentum to the downside. You know, for us, like we don't need to complicate things for ourselves. Only when we start complicating things for ourselves, that's when we start seeing patterns that are not meant to be there. So I want price to like move bearish to this structure and probably create like a bullish momentum because at this point, the price I move like this, obviously price is now oversold. So I need price to like come back and give me like a bullish momentum. Then you can get like a bearish candle closing back below. Then once we get this bearish candle closing, then we can look for opportunity to sell. You get me? So this is what we can anticipate. But for now, I don't want to trade. Some people will trade this place. Some people will obviously trade this place because this is price breaking below. Price break below this is price breaking below a support level. So you can anticipate some momentum. But this is the problem here. There's a support right here. I don't want to be forcing a trade. Although if there's volume, price will move. Obviously, price don't care about whatever is going on here because if I check the time this happened, let's do this. Let's check when this happened. So this happened around. This happened in the morning yesterday. This was yesterday. This was in the morning yesterday. This was actually London section, like close to London section in the morning, like pre-London section. So let's just wait. We have 11 more minutes. Let's see what the candle does. Obviously, I don't think this candle is going to go up anymore. I don't think it's going to give us any bullish structure anymore. But if I look at it from the 1 hour candle, let's look at a more higher time frame perspective. Let's see how it goes. Let's just wait and let's see how it goes. So if you guys have any questions, have anything you want me to do, anything you want to ask me, now is the time to ask me so you can get right to it. So you can actually get right to it. So let's see. Gold. So let me like I said, I placed a trade. So let me record that trade I placed on my journal. All of you should record your trades. Make sure you're always taking notes of your trades, the reason why you entered the trades in the first place, what you saw in the trade. Like always take note of what's going on. Let's take note of what's going on, guys. So we have about 9 more minutes to the candle close. Let's look over last week. Let's see what's going like yesterday. Let's see what other opportunities played out yesterday. Why we were no longer trading because, like I said, we stopped trading yesterday. And let's see how we would have actually placed the trades and how we have likely made money if we have stayed longer on the chart. So let's do that. So yesterday, this was when I was done with trading. This was the area I was done with trading, if I'm not mistaken, like around here. I'm looking for opportunities to sell, but price didn't give me what I was looking for. So price pushed back up and came back down for retest. So I noticed this was a breakout here. I saw this when price was already at this point. You get this was a breakout and price came perfectly down to retest. So we can even start closing price when it gets. You can see from this point to this point, it's already 40 pip. you can actually start closing positions from here and hold like a little price to push more to the upside. But this is what it is. It wasn't our trade, it wasn't our setup. Price did what it had to do. So aside that, there's nothing more, there's nothing else we can do, or just to chill. So we're waiting, guys. We're waiting. We have about 8 more minutes to the end of the candle. I don't think we're going to get anything in 8 minutes. I don't think, unless price decides to do some crazy stuff, or um, let's wait. Let's wait. In trading, one of the most important thing about trading is being patient, waiting for your right setup, waiting for price to come to you. That's like the most important thing in trading. You get me? You get me? If was the way I was trading before, after I've probably taken this loss, which is a small loss, I would have start probably from here now. Eh? Probably from here now I would have been placing trades for sale because I'm impatient. I'm just trying to just jump into the trade and look for opportunities instead of giving myself time to look at the bigger picture. Like always look at the bigger picture. Always look at, okay, pricing work out this way. What is the reason why pricing work out this way? I tried selling it. Why did the pricing? I tried buying it. Why did the pricing go up? What's the problem? What did I do wrong? So if you take your time to look at it, you might see your reason. You might not see the reason. So you can see it in 30 minutes. Price never broke this own 30 minutes um level here. You see, never broke above the level. So you see, there was always be one or two things that would have stopped you from reaching your target point. But like I said, this trade actually moved 20 people. You get actually moved 20 people from my entry, from exactly where I entered it from. Actually moved 20 people, and 20 people is like always my mark. Close. But so like a V once. But there was a lot of opportunity for price to actually continue pushing upwards if we want to push to the upside. Wait. So wait, guys, we wait. Wait. If you have any questions, anything you want to say, anything you want to contribute, just let me know. Let me know in the comment section. You want me to check anything for you? You want me to check any analysis? You want me to check any trade? Just let me know in the comment section. I'm here. I'm here to answer any questions you have. Yeah, wait, guys. Let's wait. Sorry, guys. All right, guys. We have about 2 more minutes to the end of the candle. So let's see how that plays out. Let's see how the 1 hour is ending. The 1 hour is ending like okay, 4 hours, 4 hours going. Okay, let's wait, guys. Let's wait. 2 more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes, guys. That buy would be good. To get that buy, actually be good. So I think the 1 hour now is what the 1 hour doing? Okay, it's going indecisive. So, let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's see. Price just wanted to minus more before pushing upwards. So let's wait. You have to wait. Get. I think we'll get probably get our entry in the next 15 minutes if we want to go bullish. So I feel like the next 15 minutes will like push price back up. And from there we can look for opportunities to continue pushing to the upside. So I think the 1 hour candle now is flipping bullish. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's be patient. Let's wait for trades to come to us, guys. Let's wait for trades to come to us. That's the only thing we can do. So the candle has closed. 30 minutes. What happened in 30 minutes? Okay. On the 1 hour. Okay. Nothing really. So let's just see wait. Let's see wait. Let's see wait. Let's see wait. We have to wait. We have to wait, guys. This is where we wait. Although this 30 minutes we're giving us like selling pressure, like this is a retest of this structure, possible continuation of the downside. But nah. I'm waiting, guys. I have to just wait. It's giving like possibility of it going to the downside. But let's wait. Like I need to see. I'm not looking for trades inside. This is like no trade range. So I'm not for anything inside this place. So I have to just wait patiently. You get just have to wait patiently. Waiting, guys. Where does price want to go? Where does price want to go? You can see price is getting to that level of resistance. So can we see a break and continuation? The buys will be actually be very nice. Get that break. So we have normal minutes. So I've gotten our break of structure. I've gotten our break of structure, guys. Let's see. Let's see. You have 9 more minutes. Hopefully, price doesn't leave us. So we can get what we want from here. So let's see. You have to just wait, guys. Wait. Let's wait. Hopefully, we get something nice and we place a trade. Just exactly how I predicted. Just exactly what I want price to do. Let's see if we can get that and we'll be right on it. Like we'll be right on the trade and right onto it. We'll be right on the trade and right onto it. So we have about 8 more minutes. We have about 8 more minutes. So let's wait. If this price decides to break above and start pushing rapidly to the upside, then so be it. So be it. You can see it's already breaking above. Like so be it, man. So be it. But you just have to wait. You have to wait for the candle to close. I'm not trying to do any impulsive entry or anything like that. I'm just trying to wait for a clear setup and place to trade. So that's exactly what I want price to do. That's exactly what I'm interested in right now. So just wait. 7 more minutes. Put your hands behind your butt and sit on it, guys. Like I said, if you have any questions, have anything you want to ask me, man. Ask me. I'm here. I'm here for questions. I'm here for answering any questions. Just shoot me questions. No impulsive entry, guys. Let's be conclusion. If the price moves, then it's not a move. I'm not trying to rush any trades or anything like that. If the price move, it's not a move. So what I want price to do, like I'm saying, I want a retracement. I want this candle to close bullish like this, the way it is. Then the next candle to like retest, which show we can put our stop loss somewhere below here. Then at the flip of the candle, we can look to buy and possible secure some profit. So this is all I want. This is the big like this is like we call this a beautiful masterpiece. So that's what I want price to do. And if you get that, we're gonna get our entry, we're gonna get our trade and look to make money. If you don't, then we'll wait until the next one. Until the next one. Alright guys, give me 1 second. I'll be back. I just want to do something quickly and I'll see you. I got a text from someone. Hey guys, I'm back. I got a text from someone saying concerning the trade I sent out to the group. He said that he couldn't close on time. That by the time I moved managed trade, he wasn't back in drawdown. Now this is something you should understand about the way I trade. This is where I trade. Once price gets to around 10-15 p, always look to move your stop loss to break even. Like you have seen profits, you don't want price to demonstrate is moving. You have seen profit, you don't want price to come back against you and anything like that is moving. I need to slow down. So you don't want price to go against you at any given time. You get me? So once you see a trade like this trade now, the way it's moving, just know that the possibility of us missing this move like this, unless it's come back now. Although we still have range, we still have range, we still have range. And besides the 30-minute structure we had there, price is breaking above it. So we still have range, we still have about um let's measure that. The only problem here now is it's already almost halfway there. We have about 100 people range to the upside, and it's practically almost halfway there. So I don't know what we want to be doing like this. You get it's almost halfway there. So I don't know if we're going to place a trade or not. Oh, let's wait on it. So if you're active, just let me know you're active. You're with me. Just put some W's, just let me know you're active. Let me know how many people is on stream with me, so I can know who I'm sending trade with. So let's see. We have about 2 more minutes, just 2 minutes to the end of the candle. We have about 2 more minutes to the end of the candle. So let's see. Hope you guys can hear me. Hope you guys can hear me, guys. Hope you guys can hear me. Hope you guys can hear me. So I like the retracements price is giving us right now. It's good. So to be like good enough retracement, so we can do like a week fill or something to continue placing, like continue buying the price to the upside. So hope you guys can hear me. Hope I'm loud and clear today, man. Hope I'm loud and clear. Stay active, guys. Stay active. You might get something cooking here. Like something might be cooking right now. Something might be cooking right now. The problem now is just stops. You get me? Stops. And do not look to enter the trade on the first 1 minute. You get me? So let's 1 minute. Let's look at the 5 minutes. Okay. One more minute, guys. Stay patient. Stay patient. Like, let's play some trades. So I like the retracements. I actually like the retracements. The retracement is cool. This is what I wanted because price was literally halfway there. Price was halfway there. So I like the retracement. So we might likely get something. But in order for us to enter this trade, we need that price retracing. Like we need that retest so we can look for the flip and look for opportunities to go wrong. So let's wait. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. So the stream has been running for how long? Yeah, the stream has been running for 48 minutes. So let's see. Few seconds to the end of the candle. Let's go, guys. Few seconds. End of the candle. I like this volume. That's it. One. Let's go. So I need price to retrace now so we can get a decent stop loss so we can buy this price. This price. Let's just retrace a bit, guys. Let me retrace a bit. And we are so long in it. Like retrace. No retracements, no entry. So we need price to retrace so we can place the trade. Normally it's supposed to be around here, but we can't have a 70 pip stop. So I'll use like the 5 minutes for stop loss. This is good. If I can't call it on time, just look at your wherever your candle height is. That's where you should put your entry from. Same 40 pip stop loss. So guys, manage your risks, guys. Manage your risks. Know what you're doing. So once the candle flip bullish, you should be activated and you should have that run. But looking at it, price might just want to continue pushing in the downside. But let's see guys. I guess it's a decent retest, and we have about the price decide wants to push up. We have about over 100 p. So we can actually, if price move decently, we can move like close some positions and allow some positions run. So just now we just wait for the flip. We close um most of our position once it gets to the weak field, or 10 people move stop loss to break even, and that's basically what we're going to do. So I want this 5 minutes candle to close weak bear. So if you close the 5 minute candle can close weak bear, it's going to be good. So the next one can push above and break above. So the next five, if this partner 5 minute close weak bear, or it's just feel bullish now, and that's fine. That's fine with me. Wherever it does, it's fine with me, and we look to just manage and place our trades. So we're active, guys. So I placed our first trade on stream. I placed our first trade on stream. I'll place our first trade. I'm about to place our first trade on stream. I've gotten our first. I'm about to place our first trade on stream. So let's see if our first trade this year is going to be a W, or and whatever it is, we're here for it. As long as we manage our stop loss aggressively and just manage our risks aggressively. So like I said, I like the 5 minutes close bullish. Like the 5 minutes can close weak bear. So I will use the next 5 minutes to manage some of my trades. You get, that's how you stay on top. You have to know when to cut the losses. So I'll use the next 5 minutes to manage my trade aggressively. But let's see if he flips and he pushes, that's fine. Let's see, guys. You need to manage your trade aggressively, man. Once you start seeing profits, know when to move your stop to be. You need to manage them aggressively, guys. So if you don't get anything, you can still wait for the 30 minutes. You can still wait for the 30 minutes. So let's see. So the 5 minutes has closed the way I want to close. So let's see how the next 5 minutes. We're almost activated, guys. We're almost activated. Okay, but the trade has been triggered in. The trade is active right now. The trade is active. So let's see. got 10 pips in profit, guys. You got 10 pips in profit. Almost at 20 pips, guys. Almost at 20 pips. Move stop loss to BE. Stop loss to BE. This trade does not want to move. B is, guys. B is break even has been hit, guys. B has been breaking even has been hit. This trade doesn't want to move. I'm not looking because I'm just trying to secure, like, B has been hit. There should be volume, price should be pushing upwards, not coming down back. B has been hit, but if you guys secured anything, that's fine. If you guys secure anything, that's fine. But B has been hit. So you can see the trade is dancing. Maybe it's waiting for the 30 minutes to 30 minutes candle or something. But B has been hit. Out of this trade. Out of the trade. At least well managed. You can see it's in Jordan now. In Jordan. This is why I said always close your trade. Be aggressive with your closure. Be aggressive. You have to be always aggressive with your closure. So you can see the trade is pushing down a bit, but it might still go up. It might still go up to our favor, but I'm not doing like what I did that last time. I'm not placing the trade anymore. It might not be 5 minute clicking bottom low or something for it to move, or it's just waiting for the 30 minutes to close and for it to move is move. Or that is for us. We tried to place a trade. I got around I got around 16 people, but I needed the price to get to like 20. So that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine, guys. Well, let's see observe it though. Let's see observe it though. Let's see observe. I feel like there's some people that see in this trade. So let's just observe and see what's going on it. Let's see observe it. Let's just look at it. I'm no longer in the trade, so it's a BE. So the first trade for us is a break-even trade. But let's see if the trade is if we should have actually given it like more room to do its thing. Let's see if we would have given it more room to do its thing. Then we'll have given it more room. Now price is moving upwards. It's moving upward, guys. We are probably giving the trade more room to do its thing. We are probably giving the trade more room to do its thing, but it's fine. It's all good. It's all good, guys. It's all good, guys. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good, guys. We'll go again tomorrow. It's all good, guys. It's still a win for me, guys. It's still a win for me. It's all good. And again, besides, you can see that price is not its best. You can see the left. You can see we have a lot of weak rejection. So you're right. You're right. You can see there's a lot of rejection going on our left side. So that's why the traffic is a bit slow. But it's still a win, guys. It's still a win. I don't think I ever told. Did I tell them to move their stuff to be okay? They did. So it is what it is. It is what it is. We did our best. We should have probably given it more room. Like if we didn't move our stop loss, doing so our stop loss left it where it is, you can see that we would have been in profit right now. It's already at 40 pip in profit, 1 to 1. And trust me, this trade is going to run to 100 pips. This trade is going to run to 100 pips. But it's fine. It's fine. We did our thing. We did our thing, and we were able to manage our trade still. Because the reason why I'm saying this is that what if there's always a what if the price didn't want to continue pushing to the upside, and was I paid the price here. I did what I did, like let me allow it run, and it actually came down to hit us out. So it's fine. It's actually fine. You can see price has actually moved 1 to 1, which is 40 pip, because the candles are big, structures are big, but it's okay. I was also looking to manage at this trade, looking at the 5 minutes breaking low. I didn't just like the whole idea of it, but it's fine. It's fine. I believe some people, yeah, close half at 10 people. I left it from. So that means you didn't move, meaning that you didn't move your stop loss to BE, meaning that you have some profit from it. So that's nice. That makes sense. That makes sense. So now that at 40 people, you can actually move to stop your stop loss to BE, so you can secure it. For me, I'm fine. I'm very okay with whatever outcome it is. I I used to close at 10, but I no longer close any position at 10. I prefer to close at 20. With the way the candles are very big, we have giant candles now. We have like giant candles on gold. So I prefer to close partials at 20. Then I usually allow my runners run to like 60, 70, 100 pips. Most of the time I make like a lot of money from my runners. So that's it. So when I close like 50%. So that's it. So you can see the trade is chasing me back. But we're fine with it. We're good. Let me put the record on the charts. Let me put the record on the charts. So we basically started the year with 1 BE. So we have a break even trade, put 1 there. Then this month we have this is like basic like on stream 1. And today we placed 2 trades, but because I called out just 1 on stream, so let me hassle put that as 1. Then let me change my this to 13. So yeah, so that's it. So we did fine. 30 minutes is about to close to, including a few seconds. Regardless of whatever it's going to do, I placed the trade I want. I've placed 2 trades today, so that is more than enough. That's all I can offer myself for today. 2 trades is very okay. Like 2 trades a day is like all I can do. So whatever the price decides to do, whatever it decides to create any structure, I'm no longer interested in it. I've gotten my fair share of the market, and that's it. I'm still up for the week. Actually, I placed a trade early morning of yesterday, so I'm still up for the week. I'm still pretty much up for the month. I just took a little L today, so that's what it is. So I'm going to see you guys same time tomorrow. Let's trade together and let's keep making money together. Stay blessed. Do not overtrade, and see you guys tomorrow. So if you have any questions, you can just DM me. And this was a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Just that looking at the charts, the moment I came to the chart this morning, man, the market structure was you can see it's not the best. And if people are not careful, this is where people lose a lot of money. So stay off the charts. Wait for price to create clean structure, clean levels, then you can place your trades and make money from it. So market share is not the best, but we did our best. You get me? We did our best. So that's what I can say. That's all I can say. So see you guys tomorrow. Same time tomorrow. Same time tomorrow. So I was also showing you guys how to just manage your trade. So I will see you guys tomorrow. We'll talk more about tomorrow. We'll talk about other things tomorrow. See how we can improve as a trader. Like I said, this year we're gonna make a lot of money. That's the goal, and that's what we're banking on. So this trade will move. I told you guys, just expect 100 pips from this trade. I expect 100 pips. But most of the time, what I like to do is, um, this is the entire structure here. This is 160 pip. If price gets to like half of it, which is about 80 pip, then that is good. So 80 pip is a good place to take all most of your profit away and allow it to run. So it's literally half of the structure. So you can look to like close most stuff at the half and let your little run. So that's it. So see you guys when you see. Peace and love.